Today is Thursday, 30th of May 24. As I'm going to be going through the post-market analysis. So let's dig into what happened in terms of news. So we had not major news during the London Open, but we had a couple of news on the New York Open. So one of them was preliminary GDP, unemployment claim, and pending home sales. So even though we didn't have much news, but in terms of one of the low sort of impact news, which is unemployment rate. So if you look at these, it still came pretty much as it was expected, and unemployment rate in Italy was a bit lower. However, Spanish CPI came a little bit lower than expected, but still higher than what previously was. So that's the medium impact. But in general, it wasn't a main or a major impact news. So, but on the other hand, the GDP in US, so it was so previously it was 1.6, came to 1.3, which is lower, but it was more than what it was forecasted. So, but it's still positive, and unemployment claims came pretty much similar to what it was expected, and pending home sale came much lower, but this didn't have much effect to the market, as we are about to go and talk about it. So let's also look at what happened in terms of higher time frame. This is the daily and this is the 4-hour. Daily, we can see that we are making lower highs and lower lows, and this is important in terms of we could see lower prices, maybe around about these figures for the short term, medium term. So this is the this is when we actually started. So we could see that price bounced off this zone and then run off to retest this zone, which is the 4-hour zone, which is this one, the blue line. Ignore the red and the green for time being. So basically what we can see, everything is with prices still making lower lows and lower highs, even though we haven't closed yet, but I doubt it will go this high. So on the 30 minutes, as you can see on the Asian range, so Asian range was downtrending, so we couldn't break Asian range low, and we bounced off, and we broke Asian range high. We rejected and broke Asian range high, and we are currently retesting this zone as a resistance. So we already broken it, retested once, and this is the second retest, I would say second. So on the 10 minutes, that was the 30 minutes, so 10 minutes we can see some the prices sort of jumped massively during the London Open till about 10 o'clock, and then since then it's been really ranging till about I would say New York Open. So if you look at the 30 minutes, it probably gives you better view. So this is when the market opened, we've been ranging down, and London Open, so prices started going higher, and if I have a normal candle so you can see better, so prices started going higher, but we couldn't break that Asian range high by that point. However, we got rejected, but we still kept above the 100 EMA on 33 minutes. So what is telling me, so we pretty much ranged until the New York Open. After the news, we we broke that range high, and we've been retesting this zone since. So it hasn't been a massive move during the New York session, hence I couldn't get any trade there, but I tried to get like a trade here, which was a losing trade, but the perfect trade would have been here, where so basically meet in the middle, where point A to point B, where I would have got something here. There was a potential trade where first leg was made, and then pattern A, and the 2 are easy. So that was the possibility. So the major news that I mentioned actually came here, where since then prices has been going higher, but not a big effect, because I think the trend is going to be more downtrend in the coming days. So we just, I think, retesting this zone to see to go lower. That's for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.